How to use Clearing to find your perfect course. Confused about clearing? The Complete University Guide's Clearing Concierge is here to help. Early research can take the stress out of the day. Find guidance, compare courses, and discover FAQs and tailored advice so you can make the right choice. Our Clearing Course Search will show you what courses are available. Use the filters to personalise your search and find the right course for you. Enter your UCAS points to filter the results and find which unis have courses available. Use our calculator to convert your grades to points. Once you've entered your UCAS points, you can see your chance of being accepted onto each course. Next, filter your results by university, subject and location, as well as course type and qualification to get more personal results. Once you've found a course, call the university to secure your place. Ensure you have your UCAS and clearing number, your grades and your personal statement. Everything you need to know about clearing, all in one place. Think clearing? Think the Clearing Concierge.